Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Khan's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Today I'm going to tell you how to make the keto roti. Keto is the low carb diet. Nowadays, this is very popular to reduce the weight. If you are going to 1 month keto diet, so you can reduce very easily 10 to 8 kg weight if you are overweight. Soon I will start uploading the 1 month keto diets course. So there will be breakfast, lunch, dinner from day 1 to day 30. Now let's start how to make the keto roti. First you have to make the flour of from almond. So just take a handful of almond and put in the grinder. So make powder like this, and take the same amount of flaxseed and make the same procedure, make powder of the flaxseed also. Take a small cauliflower, so in the same procedure make grind, and it will look like a dough. See, and no need to add water. If you will add water it will spoil. So I'm just going to tell you, for one keto chapati or roti, take 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed flour, and 1 tablespoon of cauliflower, and 1 tablespoon olive oil, or you can take coconut oil. Make a fine dough, just keep mashing it. So because the cauliflower contain the water, so it will become perfect dough. It is still contain excess water, so your roti will be not perfect. Now I'll add quarter tablespoon of soybean flour to make a nice texture. Now it is perfect texture. If you don't want to add soybean flour, you can add little bit more almond flour. This roti will be very tasty, delicious. You will enjoy. Now it is ready. Just keep aside for 20 to 30 minutes for rest. Now dough is ready. Let's start to make roti or chapati. Clean the surface and make the round ball of dough like this. Add little bit olive oil on the surface so it will not stick. Now just increase in the size with the help of fingertips like this, but don't make very slim because it will break, spoil. To make slim we will use the another technique. To increase in the size and make slim, we are using this technique. Now we will cut in the round shape with the help of any kind of lid like this, so it will be perfect round. You can use to make the roti any kind of griddle plate or tawa or non-stick pan. I'm using the griddle plate. To grease it, I'm using olive oil, or you can use the coconut oil. If you don't want to eat oily, so you can use the non-stick pan. And in the keto, the oil and fat is allowed, so nothing to worry about it. In the future next videos, I will make some other type of keto rotis, because every time, if you will eat the flaxseed and the cauliflower, so you will become tired, fed up to eat the same kind of roti. So I will tell you how to make the different type of roti with the different ingredients. Now start. The griddle plate is hot. If you are going to start the keto diet, so first you must get knowledge about it. And there's several websites on the internet. You can search on the Google, and you can consult to your doctor, or you can consult to any dietitian, so you will get the perfect guidance to start the keto diet. But it's very effective. You can reduce uh, very easily 8 kg to 10 kg in 1 month if you are overweight. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.